Good morning, students. Today, in the sixth lecture, sixth video of chapter number 11, Standard 7 SS, I am going to discuss the objective types of question answer. The objective types of question answer of chapter 11, lecture number 6, Standard 7 SS, and the name of the chapter is Devotion towards the Almighty. Devotion towards the Almighty. My dear student, I have discussed about all the saints. All the saints. Now, today I am going to discuss MCQs, identify me, fill in the blanks, and match the pairs like that. Okay. Number one. When was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu born? We can say in which year also. Okay. Instead of when, we can use the word in which year. Both are the same. When was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu born, or in which year was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu born? Options are given: 1492 CE, 1479 CE, 1448 CE, and 1485 CE. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is in the year 1485. In the year 1485, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born. My dear student, instead of when, we can use the word in which year also. Okay. Next one. What was the profession? What was the profession of Saint Kabir? Okay. What was the profession of Saint Kabir? Options are given: tailor, blacksmith, carpenter, and weaver. Okay. So by profession, Saint Kabir was a weaver. Saint Kabir was a weaver. Okay. So what was the profession of Saint Kabir? So Saint Kabir was a weaver. Okay. Next one. What did Guru Nanak preach? What did Guru Nanak preach? My dear student, options are given: Ram Nam, Krishna Bhakti, Path of Love, and Satnam. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Satnam. Okay, the correct answer is Satnam. So what did Guru Nanak preach? Guru Nanak preached Satnam. Okay, what was the word? Satnam. Okay, next one. What did the Hindus and Muslims consider as a part of religious belief? What did the Hindus and Muslims consider as the part of the religious belief? Options are given: kirtan, rituals, public service, and charity. So what was that? It is considered as a charity. Charity is the correct answer. Okay, got it? Next one. Whose devotee was Bhakt Pundarika? Whose devotee was Bhakt Pundarika of Maharashtra? My dear student, here options are given: Ram, Hanuman, Krishna, and Vittalnath. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is Vittalnath. Okay. Next one. When I explained the chapter in very first video, I said this thing: the Bhakti and Sufi movements. The Bhakti and Sufi movement started in the blank century. The Bhakti and Sufi movement started in the blank century. In which century? 11th, 5th, 7th, and 8th. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is 8th century. Okay, the correct answer is 8th century. Next one, Tukaram. Tukaram belong to blank state. Okay, Tukaram belong to blank state. Options are given: Orissa, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Maharashtra. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is Maharashtra. To Saint Tukaram was belong to Maharashtra state. Okay. Next one, Raidas. Okay, Raidas was born in blank. Raidas was born in blank in Vrindavan, Mathura, Banaras, and Kashi. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Kashi. So Raidas was born in Kashi. Dear students, my next exercise is identify me. Identify me. Okay, first one. My words, Haribol. My words, Haribol were spread in Bengal. Who am I? The correct answer is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. My words, Haribol, were spread in Bengal. Okay, what is the answer? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, got it? Next one. My followers. My followers are known as Sikhs. My followers are known as Sikhs. Who am I? Who the Sikhs are follower of Saint Guru Nanak. Okay, Saint Guru Nanak. Okay, my followers are known as Sikhs. Who am I? The Saint Guru Nanak. Okay, next one. I was born in Nagar family. I was born in Nagar family. When I explain the chapter, when I explain about Narsi Mehta, I said this thing. Okay, so who am I? I was born in a Nagar family. Okay, the correct answer is Narsi Mehta. Got it? Next one. The Raidasi sect. The Raidasi sect started because of my name. What is that? Raidas. Swami Raidas. We can say Swami Raidas. And because of the Swami Raidas, Raidasi sect is started. Okay. So the Raidasi sect started because of my name, that is called Swami Raidas. Okay. Next one. I spread the Vaishnava religion by preaching in the regional language. I spread the Vaishnava religion. I spread the Vaishnava religion by preaching in regional language. What is the correct answer? Swami Ramananda. Swami Ramananda. Okay, got it? Swami Ramananda. Okay, got it? Next one. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Vallabhacharya spread. Vallabhacharya spread the blank cult. Vallabhacharya spread the blank cult. What is that? Pushti Marga. What is that? Vallabhacharya spread the Pushti Marg cult. Okay. Next one. In the Acharya tradition of Vaishnavism, black was the last Acharya. Who was the last Acharya? या करेक्ट, चैतन्य महाप्रभु। सही, चैतन्य महाप्रभु। गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट वन, चैतन्य महाप्रभु was born in a famous Vidyapit. Which was the Vidyapit? Navadip Vidyapit. Okay. Navadip Vidyapit. And if you want to say Nadia, that is also correct answer. Okay, you can write anyone. Navadip Vidyadham or Nadia. Okay. Next one, blank was Kabir's and Raidas's. Blank was Kabir's and Raidas's guru. So who was that? Swami Ramananda. Who was that? Swami Ramananda was Kabir's and Raidas's guru. Okay. Saint Blank was born in Talwandi near Lahore in Punjab. Who was that? Yeah, correct answer. Saint Guru Nanak. Okay. Next one, the most famous poet of Maharashtra was. The most famous poet of Maharashtra was Saint Tukaram. Saint Tukaram. Blank was impressed. Next one, Blank was impressed by the devotion of Raidas. Who was that? Mirabai. Got it? So once again I repeat, my words Haribol were spread in Bengal, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Next one, my followers are known as Sikhs, Saint Guru Nanak. I was born in Nagar family, Narsi Mehta. The Raidasi sect started because of my name, Swami Raidas. I spread the Vaishnava religion by preaching in regional languages, Swami Ramananda. In filling the blanks, Vallabhacharya spread the Pushti Marg cult. Next one, in the Acharya tradition of Vaishnavism, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was the last Acharya. Next one, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born in famous Vidyadham, Nadia or Navadip. Next one, Swami Ramananda was Kabir's and Raidas's guru. Next one, Saint Guru Nanak was born in Talwandi near Lahore in Punjab. Next one, the most famous poet of Maharashtra was Saint Tukaram. And last one, Mirabai was impressed by the devotion of Raidas. Dear students, my next exercise is match the pairs correctly. Match the pairs correctly. Here A side and B sides both are there. Here whatever is written in A side, correct answer is written. We have taken the correct answer from B side and I have written the correct answer. In the examination you have to do the same thing. Instead of drawing lines, better to write down the correct answer in front of the A option. Okay, A section. Okay, here Saint Kabir, Narsi Mehta, Vallabhacharya, Swami Ramananda, Guru Nanak, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. 6 I have written. How many I have written? 6. Which are they? Saint Kabir, Narsi Mehta, Vallabhacharya, Swami Ramananda, Guru Nanak. અને ચૈતન્ય મહાપ્રભુ. My dear student, we have to choose the correct answer from the B section and we have to write down. Okay. So Saint Kabir, the correct answer is, he said there is only one God. Saint Kabir said there is only one God. That's why I have written correct answer there only. Okay, in same line only I have written Saint Kabir, there is only one God, because he believed and he preached the same thing. There is only one God. Okay. Next one, Narsi Mehta. Narsi Mehta. Here we can have many options, no problem. From the B section, the correct answer I have written, that is called composed Prabhadhya. Composed Prabhadhya. If Nagar family is written, then also it is correct. Okay. So we have to choose. Okay, which option is correct? Here correct option is composed Prabhadhya. Narsi Mehta, he composed Prabhadhya. Okay. Vallabhacharya. Vallabhacharya. Okay. Propagated. Vallabhacharya propagated Pushtimal. Vallabhacharya propagated Pushtimal. Swami Ramananda. Swami Ramananda propagated Vaishnav Bhakti. Swami Ramananda propagated Vaishnav Bhakti. Guru Nanak. Okay. For Guru Nanak, followers are known as Sikhs. Followers are known as Sikhs. Okay. Guru Nanak, followers known as Sikhs. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, correct answer is propagated Krishna Bhakti. Propagated Krishna Bhakti. Okay. Next exercise is true or false. Okay. In examination you have to write down the sentence. After that, in the next line you have to write down whether the statement is true or false. Okay. First one, Raidas preached that there is only one God. Raidas said no. Saint Kabir said no. So that is false. That is false. Okay. Raidas preached that there is only one God. Who said? Saint Kabir. Saint Kabir said there is only one God. Okay. Next one, Saint Kabir propagated Bhakti movement outside India. Saint Kabir propagated Bhakti movement outside India. That is also false. Okay. Next one, according to Saint Kabir, we can attain real knowledge with the help of Sadguru. Okay. According to Saint Kabir, we can attain real knowledge with the help of Sadguru. That is also false. Okay. Next one, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu believed in Krishna Bhakti. Yeah, correct. That is true. Okay. That is true. Okay. Next one, Raidas was an ardent worshipper of Nirguna Brahma. That is also correct. My dear student, copy down this exercise in your notebook. Okay. Next time we will start a new chapter. Okay. Thank you.